Hello everyone, welcome to your English class. Today we will continue the same chapter from your grammar, that is narration or reported speech. So in this class, in this video, we will explain the narration change of interrogative sentence, because in the previous part of the lesson we have learned already assertive sentence, narration change. So today we will learn about interrogative sentence, narration change. With that, imperative, optative, even exclamatory sentence, narration change. So let's go to the first. First one will be interrogative, or if you go for any other question. Okay. Now, as you know, the question will stand for two. Okay, we can ask any other question. Okay, we can ask any other question in two ways. What are they? You know, first one will be yes no question. Yes no question, and another will be WH question. Now, what is yes no question? You know, whenever any other questions will be asked, and if the answer will come in the form of yes or no, then yes no question. And if WH word will come in that question part, then it will be WH question. Okay, there yes no answer will not be there. So we will discuss all these type of sentences in case of narration change. So first one, yes no question. Suppose one example we are taking, just as I am picking up from the book, just yes, my mother said to me, my mother said to me, what is it? Is it raining? Now, as you can see here, it is yes no question. Is it raining? Is it yes? It is yes no question. Why? Because you may ask, you may give the answer like yes or no, yes or no. So now in that case, what will be the rule? Generally, answer what? Said to. As you know, it is a question, so obviously the reporting verb will be changed. It will be asked. Now, comma and inverted comma will be changed into if or whether. If, or we may write down whether. Okay. Any other linker we may use for the yes no question. So yes no question linker will be if or whether. Mind it. And in case of WH question, WH word will be there for linker. So that is a rule actually. Now, answer will be what? Answer will be my mother asked me if, written if. Now, if is it raining? Now, what you will change first? Again, I am telling, just try to do the steps, because if you will not do the steps, then it will be very much difficult for you. Try to develop that practice. So now, first what you will do? You will change the reported speech into assertive first. Is it raining? Here you can see verb first. Verb is presents before the subject. So try to change into assertive word. It will be it is raining. Is it so? Full stop. Now look here, there is no other question mark. So full stop. It is raining. It will be here. So try to change that speech, interrogative speech, into assertive. It is raining. Now it. If. Answer will be if it. Now is raining. It is, you know which tense it is? It is present continuous tense. So that tense will be changed into past continuous. So if it was raining. Full stop. Now you should do that kind of steps. Not in the exam copy. It should be in your mind. Okay, whenever you will develop that one, directly you can go for. So that is the answer. Now we are moving to the next example. Just like Sonali said to Mandira, suppose Sonali said to Mandira, What is it? That have you been to the shopping plaza? Suppose I am writing here. Have you been to the shopping plaza? Question mark inverted close. Now you can see what, that have you been to the shopping plaza? Okay. Now Sonali said to Mandira. Now what I have told, have you been to shopping plaza? Yes, no question, because no other WH word is there in the reported speech. So try to change in the assertive first. It will be you have been to the shopping plaza, full stop. Now you can see here I have changed that interrogative question into assertive. You have been. Just I have brought the subject in front of the verb. So you have been to the shopping plaza. That is not the answer. So you know how to change from assertive sentence lesson change. What is the answer? Now answer will be Sonali said to. That said to will be, you know, said to will be asked. So Sonali asked Mandira if. Here it will be if or whether you may bring as a linker. If will be replaced, you know, here comma and inverted comma will be replaced by if. So answer will be if. Here you know you indicating Mandira, so obviously it will be C. So if C have been to the shopping plaza, it will be in past tense. Have been will be had been to the shopping plaza, full stop. Okay. So what will be the answer here? You can see here. Here total answer will be Sonali asked Mandira if she had been to the shopping plaza. Full stop. Okay, you can see here what are the changes. Okay. Now next, if we will get another example, just a minute, I am erasing here. Number 3. Number 3, just like he said to his boss. He said to his boss, comma, can I take a day off? Suppose, can I take a day off? Question mark. As I told earlier, what you should change into assertive first. It will be I can take a day off. Full stop. Full stop. So what is the answer? Here he said to, it will be asked. So he asked his boss. Here it will be if or whether. So if I will be actually he. So it will be he. So he asked his boss if he can. That is modal. Can change into past tense verb. It will be could. So if he could take a day off. Full stop. Okay. How it is changing you can easily understand. Okay. So he could take. Can I? It will be he could. Now last example for yes no question I am giving here. Just try to go for. Suppose the man said to the boy, did you complete the work? Did you complete the work? Yes no question it is. Now what will be the answer? As I told earlier, it will be asked. So the man asked the boy if. Now as I told earlier, did you complete the work? Try to change into assertive first. What will be the answer? Assertive will be you did complete, it will be completed. Okay? Completed the work. Now you can see here, did in the assertive there is no other existence. Okay? So if you want to do directly from this one to interrogative narration change, then automatically there will be a mistake. So try to change interrogative into assertive first. You completed the work. Now you know the man. The answer I am writing here. The man asked the boy if. You here stands for the boy. That's why he. If he completed the work. Here you know it is which tense? It is simple past. Simple past goes for past perfect. So if he had completed the work. Okay. Now we are moving to the WH word narration change. WH word means you know, WH word means actually you know that is WH question. Now just a minute, we are writing Sonali said to the peon. One example, Sonali said to the peon, comma, inverted start. What? Where is the library? Where is the library? Okay. Now what do you know? Here in that case the rule is that say do. So answer will be what? That answer will be Sonali asked. Reporting verb will be changed. Sonali said to will be asked the peon. Now you know here WH word is there. You can see here WH. The WH word will be there in a WH question. So WH word will be there for linker. Here if or whether that linker will not come. In case of WH question, WH word itself will come as a linker. So Sonali asked the peon where. Is it so? No. Where. Now mind it, WH word followed by subject first, then verb. Okay, that is the formula for changing yes no question or WH question. Okay, so WH word, or you know if it is yes no question, so then if or whether clause will come and then followed by subject and verb. So answer will be Sonali asked the peon where. Now you can see here what is the subject? Subject is the library. So where the library is. Only for that past reporting verb it will be past also. Was. Full stop. So Sonali asked the peon where the library was. If you write where was the library, then it will be wrong. Because WH word followed by subject then verb. So WH word followed by subject here library and then verb. Okay. Now we are moving to the next type of example WH word. Suppose where can I? Yes, which car should I buy? The customer said to the dealer. Is it so? Yes. The customer said to the dealer, you know, what is it? Which car should I buy? Which car should I buy? Question mark. Now as you know here, say do, it will be asked. So the answer will be the customer asked the dealer. You can see here, said to will be replaced by asked. Asked to the noun, asked the dealer. Now which car? Here you can see which car. Here WH word is there. WH word will come as a linker. So here in case of that WH question, there will be no other if or whether. So answer will be which car. Now which car followed by subject. Subject here I. So which car? He. I stands for the customer. That's why he. Male. So he should buy. Should will be should buy. Full stop. Which car he should buy. Okay. Is it completed now? WH word. Now we are moving to the next type of. Just a minute. We are moving to the next type of examples, just like imparted sentence. Now we have completed yes no question. Is it so? Now we are moving for imperative sentence. Okay. Now I must tell that imperative sentence narration change is very easy to understand. Okay. So some of the examples we are going for. As you know, imperative sentence stands for request, advice, or order. Just as first one example I am taking. The teacher said to the students, stand up all of you. Stand up. Stand up all of you. Full stop. Now you can see stand up all of you. That is what? It is an order. So whenever you can understand it is an order, so you should change the reporting verb into told not. It will be ordered. So answer will be the teacher ordered the students. Now why it is so easy? You should bring a linker. What is it? To. Preposition followed by V1 form of the verb. That is the form. So the teacher ordered the students to. Now you should look for the present form of the verb here. Stand up, all of you. So stand. So to stand up, all of them. All of you will be the students, so that's why them. So here you can see to followed by stand up V1. So you should find out in the reported speech what is the present form of the verb, because all the reporting verb directly start with the verb. So to, you should add to linker in front of them. So to V1 form. Okay. Suppose another example I am giving here. Number 2. The old man said to the girl, please help me. Please help me. Okay, please help me. Okay. Now you can see here, please. The word indicating it's a request. So whenever you will get please, kindly, okay, that kind of incidents or politely, then you should change. You should replace the word into requested. Why? Because it's a request. So that's why the reporting verb will be changed into requested. So answer will be the old man requested the girl. Said will be requested. Requested the so one time requested is written. Next time please, kindly, that kind of word you will not repeat, because that shows requested. The old man requested the girl to help him. Now you can see here, to, as I told earlier, to followed by V1 form of the verb means present form. Here help verb is present. So to help him, me here stands for the old man, that's why me. Now that's why it will be him. Okay? Understood? The doctor said to me, take the medicine in time. Now you can see here the take the medicine in time, it is an advice. So in case of advice, reporting verb will be advised. So here said to will be advised. What will be the answer? Here the doctor advised me. Here you can see advised, reporting verb is changing according to the type of sentences. The doctor advised me, advised spelling ADVISED, CE not, CE noun. So the doctor advised me, then followed by to V1 form. To take. You can see here, report take speech starts with a verb all the time. In the imperative sentence hasn't changed. So the doctor advised me to take the medicine. To take the medicine in time. Okay. So I have completed imperative sentence. Some other examples are also there for imperative sentence. I am writing here. Just a minute. Suppose that kind of example you may get, that is number 1. The boys said to me, For boy is known, I am writing friends. Friends, the friends, actually my friends or friends. Friends said to me, let's play cricket. Now you know actually whenever that kind of word you will get, and if that kind of word will show some of the suggestion or proposal, then suggested or proposed that kind of reporting verb will come. So actually it is a suggestion, so that's why we may write the reporting verb as suggested. Friend suggested me. Now what will come? Mind it is important to say, that's why here it is an exception. To will not come. So imperfect sentence still here, that the linker will come if let's that kind of word will show some of the proposal or some of suggestions. So now it is a suggestion, that's why the friend suggested me that. Now in that case that the linker will come, that. Now let's, it will be divided into let us. Actually it is a short form of let's. So let us, short form of let us. So here us stands for they, that they. Us will be changed into they and let will be changed into should. So they should play cricket. Okay, you can see here let us, so us will be they, let will be should. So that is the rule actually you should follow. Now another example we are going, if it is a proposal, suppose again friend said to me, let's go for a picnic. Suppose it's a proposal. Let's go for a drive. It's a proposal. So now in that sense what you may go for answer, friends proposed me. Here you can see reporting verb has been changed. So proposed me that. Now as you know let us stands for let us. So us will be they and let stands for should. So proposed me that they should go for a picnic. Now I must tell that imperfect sentence and sentence has been completed. Now we are moving towards exclamatory sentence and sentence. Okay, just a minute. Now exclamatory sentence and change. Some 2 or 3 minutes I will take. So if it is exclamatory sentence, exclamatory sentence means all types of expression, all types of anger, astonishment, then sadness, all will be included. That is related to our feelings. So you should understand what feelings, what emotions are there related to that reported speech. According to that one, reporting verb will come. Just a minute. So if we will take suppose one example. The boy said, "Hurrah! We have won the match today." Now you can see, "Hurrah! We have won the match today." That is the expression of joy, So you should write, you should change the reporting verb into according to that. So what will be the answer? Answer will be, the boy exclaimed with delight, or you may write down exclaimed with joy, or exclaimed in joy. Any other reporting verb you may use for showing happiness or delight. So exclaim with delight, exclaim with joy, exclaim with joy. That. Now here that linker will come. That. Now hurrah, it will not come because it shows the delight or joy. So the boys exclaimed with delight that. Okay, any other one you can take that. Who here stands for the boys, so that's why it will be they. They have won. It will be changed into past tense. It will be had won the match. Today it will be, the next day. You can see how many changes are there. Today is changing to the next day. Had won, it will be had won. We, it will be changed into they. And the verb said exclaimed with delight. Look at the spelling. Exclaim, E-X-C-L-A-I-M-E-D. Exclaimed with delight. Okay. Next we are moving. Next example. Suppose it is an expression of sadness. Alas, Soumitra Chatterjee is no more. It is an expression of sadness. Whenever you will get that kind of expression, then exclaimed with sorrow. That said will be replaced by exclaimed with sorrow. The man exclaimed with sorrow. Now, what is sorrow written? So, alas, that word will not come. So, sorrow that Soumitra Chatterjee, it will be Soumitra Chatterjee. Soumitra Chatterjee is no more, it will be changed into past tense. So it will be was no more. If it is suppose an astonishment, so exclaimed with surprise. Exclaimed with surprise that what a day it was, like that. Okay, so in that way you may change exclamation sentence according to the feelings. Okay, so in that way total narration change has been completed in this session. So I hope you have understood properly. Thank you. Have a good day.